We start with weekly chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And based on weekly chart, we see this correction. Now the question is it this is the only correction and this is the start of the up move and the price could break this top, or we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction at least for one more drop, then this one turn to three-way for continuation. If this one happen, we can look for better trade setup, because even if the price continue from here based on lower time frame, we cannot get a really good trade setup unless we wait to see the breakout of this correction before we take the next trade. Anyway, we're looking for the trade setup, and if we move to daily chart, if this is the only correction and the price is going to continue, the targets we can look for in relative to the first move is 1.26 following by 1.52. All right, but we have to wait. We cannot take the trade because we can expect the price tag drop before we see the continuation. All right, unless we see the sharp move like by a flag, we take the trade. And at this point, I don't see any trade setup, but we know if the price could break the correction, how high it can go. And based on forward chart, this is what we have it. That means if we move to lower time frame, if anyone wants to look for buy and they consider this is the correction and relative to this sharp move, we have to see the breakout of 1.06. Then we follow up whatever the targets I mentioned based on daily chart. All right. And at this point, the only option is to put our entry above the top when we want to price sharply tag, break, and continue the price tag, which is not moving within the first 2 hours. Maximum the 2 hours, we should take out the trade. Okay. The best things is we wait, and having entry above this can be an option, but it's quite risky. And we should know how to manage if there is no continuation, and we have to wait. We see how deep this correction can go and how it formed before we take the next trade. So about the breakout of 1.6 at this point, even if the price continue from here, I mean, this is the most important things we have to see before we look for the next opportunity. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.